Hi Year 6 and welcome to Week 3 Maths Day 4. We're going to have a look at another division problems today. So let's get started. So again we're using White Rose Maths. So this is a problem that we got from White Rose Maths and we used to use these quite a lot in class, so they'll be really familiar for you. So just pause it, have a look, see what you notice. Right, as same as yesterday, if you're looking at that you think, I'm going to have a go at that, please do. So the work is on the website, have a go at it, and come back and keep watching the video if you want some clarification or if you just want to check that you're on the right track. So for the rest of us, we're going to go through it a little bit step by step. So first thing that we're looking at here, the problem. Have a good look at it, you already have, but we've been asked this question. Who is correct? Explain how you know how many spare seats will there be. So let's go through step by step. How many people altogether need transport for the school trip? Can you see that on there? Yeah, so it's not just 576 children. We've got another number there because we've got children and adults, but they will all need transport on the school trip. Okay. Is there any other data that's important in the question? Let's have a look. Yeah. So here, we know that the coach holds 55 people. So we've got some important data there, haven't we? We know how many people altogether, we know how many people a coach will hold. So what will the calculation look like? So have a think about that. Think back to the videos that Miss Goodman has been doing with you. So we've had a divisor, we've had a dividend, haven't we? What the dividend is the one that goes under the bus shelter. Which one will be the dividend there? And which one will be the divisor? Yeah, 55 will be the divisor. And the other number will go under the bus shelter. If you've carried that calculation out, now is a good time to do it. If not, just pause the video and have a go at carrying out that calculation. Okay, so explain how you know. Who is correct? Explain how you know. So that's the real question that we need to answer. So today it's really a reasoning problem, isn't it? So we've got 3 people there. We've got Dora, Eva and Alex. You should know at the moment how many coaches we'll have. So have a look at the answer that you've got just for a moment. So just pause the video, look at your answer and see if you know how many coaches we'll need. Okay, so in your calculation, in your answer, you'll have a whole number and you'll have a remainder, won't you? So the whole number appears in one of those answers, doesn't it? So do we need 10 coaches? Do we need 11 or do we need 12? Have a little think about that. Do we want everybody to have a seat? Is it okay to say, actually, we can't fit in everybody, so we'll just leave some of them behind? Think about that in reality. How many people need to be on the coach? How many coaches do we need? Okay. Then we've got another calculation to do here. How many spare seats will there be? So if, for example, you decide that we need 12 coaches, how many seats is that altogether? One coach will hold 55 people. So how many people will be able to fit in on 12 coaches? Do you remember you worked out in the beginning how many people there were altogether? You should be able to find out how many seats will be left over. There's quite a lot to that problem, so do take your time doing it, okay? So, if you're looking for an extra challenge, have a look at this one. Most of you, I think, will spend your time doing the first problem, but if you're looking for something to challenge you a little bit more, have a look at this. So you'll need to think of a strategy of working this out. You need to be working it within a system. So decide on your system and start exploring. I'll be really interested to find out what you notice about all the numbers. Okay, so same as yesterday, the problems. There's going to be a copy of these White Rose maths problems on the website. You don't need to print them out, but just if you'd like to refer to them again. We'll also have the answers, but remember not to peek. All right. Take care then. Have fun.